DJI's newest and tiniest drone is here, and we're gonna unbox it and show you what's inside the box. Let's get to it. I love unboxing things, and I've been waiting for the DJI Neo for a bit. If you've been following this, there was rumors that it was gonna drop on August 20th, but it ended up coming out on September 5th, I believe. So just got my hands on the Fly More kit, so we're gonna see what's inside upon opening here. I always like to open the boring stuff first. So, well, nothing's really boring, to be honest. In here, it looks like we got the battery pack. So we're gonna open that right up. It looks like there's 2 batteries in here, 2 batteries. The other one must be inside the device already. So we got 2 batteries. We're gonna get these charged up nice and right so we can use this quick. All right, we have a USB-C to Lightning port adapter. This is to connect your phone to the controller. And then another USB-C cable as well. If you have an Android, you're gonna be using that. And we got a little screwdriver. All right, what's next? So here is the DJI remote control, including the Fly More kit. There's 2 options to get this drone. You can get it by itself, or you can get in the Fly More kit, which comes with the controller and a few more batteries to increase that flight time. Wow, very beautiful. The joysticks are not in here. They are located here at the bottom. We'll take it out like that and screw it in. Come on, oh, let's use the good hand. So we're gonna screw that in. We're gonna get the other one out here. We're gonna screw that in. I like the little holders down there because it makes this thing even more portable. There we have it. All right, on to the next. Wow, this is tiny, light, and exciting. All right, open up. So this is the main drone. This is the Neo drone. Wow, very small. As you can see, fits into the palm of my hand. Very nice. I've never had a drone before, so I'm excited to play around with this. What else is here? Oh, okay, there we go. That's the camera and the 1/2-inch sensor in there. Wow, look at that. Interesting. So we got the battery pack down here. It's gonna go right into the bottom. I don't know if it's charged. I heard it wouldn't be charged, but let's see. Okay, yeah, I'm charged, so unfortunately we're not gonna turn it on quite yet. We have our propeller blades, well, extra propeller blades. Hopefully I won't be needing those too soon. And then we have our manuals and all the good stuff, some DJI stickers and all the warranty information. This drone is super tiny, but I've read a lot of great things about it. So let's see if we can test it out and see how the shots come out of this thing. Let's go. If you enjoyed this video unboxing the DJI Neo and taking it for a ride, please drop a like, drop a comment. I'd love to engage with you there. Share this video, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.